Hi, I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play the blues scale in the key of E. If you've been following along in our lesson series, the last lesson was how to play the 12-bar blues and what the 12-bar blues is. So I'm going to show you now a little bit of the blues scale so that as you're playing your 12-bar blues, you can put some riffs to it and have some color and make it a pretty sounding blues song. All right, so if you like this, like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be bringing you more lessons every Friday, and of course they will always be free. So let's get started with the lesson. So the E blues scale that's the E blues scale in the first 5 frets. It goes all the way up the neck. But for simplicity's sakes, I'm just going to show you the first 2 positions of it up here, so you can throw in little fills while you're playing a 12-bar blues progression. So the notes for this are going to be an open E string, 3rd fret on the E string, an open A string, 1st fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the A string, open D string, 2nd fret on the D string, open G, 2nd fret, 3rd fret on the G string, open B string, 3rd fret on the B string, open E string, and then 3rd fret on the E string. That's the first position. And you want to memorize these notes and get to where they feel really natural for you to play them. Don't necessarily need to play them very quickly. The next position, in order to start out on E, you want to play an open E string. You want to slide your hand up here. So you put your 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, your 4th finger on the 5th fret of the E string. On the A string, you're going to do 2 and 5. D string will be 2 and 5. On your G string, you're going to go 2, 3, 4. B string is going to be 3 and 5. E string will be 3 and 5. So once you've learned these, what do you do with them? Well, you can play little leads and solos along with a key of E blues progression. That all comes from those notes in that scale. So if you and a friend can sit down and play some 12-bar blues, you can put fills in just by using the notes from that scale. And it all comes from just being very comfortable playing these notes. So hopefully this helps you out. If it does, like and subscribe to our channel, and I'm going to be bringing you a new lesson like this every Friday. I always do every Friday, and it will always be completely free. So I hope you enjoy yourself, and stay tuned for the next lesson. All right? Thank you, and have a great day.